city where East meets West, science meets nature, and beauty meets health. Come visit Budapest, Hungary, where Eminence Organic Skincare has its roots. Boldizsár Koroncai is a dedicated trainer, lecturer, and herbalist, a master of European aesthetics and massage, and the president of Eminence Organic Skincare. Eminence offers a truly exquisite experience with award-winning effective organic and biodynamic products that are so natural that you can see the fresh fruit pulps, seeds, and smell the aromatic herbs. We practice the most natural cultivation methods, like organic and biodynamic farming, to bring you the healthiest skincare around. We create an environment which guarantees healthy nutrients rich in minerals for the fruits, flowers, and vegetables grown on the farm. Biodynamic products are produced according to even more rigorous conditions than organics, since they must be first certified as organic by Hungarian Biocontrol. A biodynamic farming environment nourishes the soil's vegetation, giving rise to healthy plants without the need of chemical pesticides. We employ only the highest green methods of production, and our farm is powered by solar and wind energy. Geothermal heating is used in the laboratory. A product is called organic if more than 95% of its components are derived from organic production. The producer must also fulfill the rigorous requirements regarding the production process and technology. Components must not use harmful substances or chemicals. Then the lab manufacturer and ingredients of the product must be qualified by Demeter International, and the biodynamic active ingredients must be certified as organic. Eminence is the only skincare company in Hungary to hold Biocontrol, USDA, and Demeter certification. Eminence is also an active member of the Organic Trade Association, the association for the organic industry in North America. Ingredients from the farms arrive to a modern, high-tech, sterile lab environment where they are processed by hand without any severe heating or hydrogenating processes. Vitamins are captured in their all-natural fresh base, offering dramatic results as actual seeds, pulps, and peels impart regenerative and healing powers that only nature can produce. Once all the amazingly fresh and natural ingredients are mixed and prepared, they are filled by hand into jars, one by one, with meticulous care. Clients immediately see and feel the difference evolving from the extremely high fruit content and therefore the high level of active ingredients in Eminence products. Eminence Organic Skincare offers an extensive line at top resorts, spas, and salons worldwide, gracing faces from Hollywood to the girl next door. We invite you to experience our award-winning, results-oriented product line that is made with natural, organic, and biodynamic ingredients, and see what Eminence can do for you.